G Fáistí, how are you all? An Gédín seo inniu an tríú lá déag de bhí anar gáhíle is a fithe hain. So I lorna seachtainna, middle of the week, it's flying by and you're all doing great, so keep it up. Now, inniu in Gaeilge, we have our Léasawalia. So I'd like you now to take out your Léasawalia and os clígi were lower lehanach dachad agus a hain. Dachad agus a hain. So Togi amach Léasawalia, take it out, agus Jane Famidge. We will do an Lampa Draíochta lehanach dachad agus a hain. So this is a nice little scale shot, nice little story. Now, even before reading, if you didn't have a clue what this was about, what Lampa Draíochta was, and you won't know every word in Irish, that's the reality, but just by looking at the pictures, I'd say you'd get a pretty good idea. Lampa looks like a lamp, and then Draíochta, can you predict what it is? Yeah, magic. Okay, a magic lamp, okay? Like Aladdin, okay? A genie and the lamp. Anyway, okay, as you can see again here, I've circled all in the brifra. So this is piece of shot San Amtrakacha Rish. And again, we have many of our common brifra nav realta, the 11 brifra nav realta. We have V, we have Hug, we have Honig, we have Dúirt. Okay, so these guys keep coming up. So they're very important. And you know them well now anyway, okay? So the Alistair, so this is his anam, that's the boy's name, Eglanu amach chak vamo. Tidying out chak vamo. Hug she kick the lampa 3 himpishta. So hug she, he gave a kick to a lampa 3 himpishta. Remember the other day as well, Oshin did something 3 himpishta. What was it? I can't remember. Did he fall in the yard 3 himpishta or something? So by accident. Gotobin, suddenly. Honig ginnid amach asan lampa. Again, I've never seen that word before in my life. Ginnid. But I can make a good guess that it must be a genie. Ginnid. I don't even know if that's how you pronounce it, but I'm guessing it is. Honig ginnid amach asan lampa. Honig, the verb to come. He came out of it. Ke hussa, who are you? Ursa Alistair. Alistair said. Is Misha an ginnid. Ke gur hug to kick them. Torhime 3 veen ditch. Okay, I am the genie. Because you gave a kick to me, Torhime. Now that's Amshire Oshtanach, looking forward. It ends in Faidh, so it's future tense. I will give you 3 veen. What do you think that is? Well, again, you might know what veen is, but you can make a good guess. 3 veen, 3 wishes. Ditch. Gohintok. Brilliant. Like the words we had yesterday. Harbar, Eraus, all that. But Watlum, I would like a Gomeach and Chakshaw Glan, a Dúirt Alistair. I'd like if this house was tidy. Gaman Alistair, very clever. And Clishta. A Dúirt Alistair, said Alistair. Again, one of our brifra nav realta. Láithreach bun, again, that's a tricky word, so I'll go down to my glossary. What does láithreach bun mean? Okay, instantly or immediately. Láithreach bun fi an chak glan. Oh, nice. First wish worked out. Now, Lanimid, you're right. Then he says, Bawatlam ruher nua. I would like ruher nua. Arish, again, láithreach bun, immediately. Vi ruher os achor. What does os achor mean? Go down to your folklore, your glossary. In front of him. So vi ruher os achor. And see the way it's achor. A plus H. Because it's a buchel in front of him. If it was a girl, it'd be os achor without a H. Okay. And then finally, so he's got 3 veen, he's got 3 wishes. So what's his third one? Oh my God. Cadella atá ag tastal wem. What else do I want? A Dúirt Alistair, said Alistair. Don veen Jernach for the final wish. But Watlam, I would like a vet Iran Pella Ljowerful, Liverpool. What? I thought he was doing brilliantly, very clever, but I've changed my mind about Alistair. What is he at? Arish, Láithreach bun, immediately, Bhí sé ag seasamh, he was standing I Stad Ljowerful, Anfield, in Acha leis na himróirí eile. And what are himróirí? Go down again to the glossary. The players. So he's standing in the mid, I Lorna Parka in Anfield, in Acha leis na himróirí eile. Why would you waste a wish on Liverpool? Alistair, what are you doing to me, man? Okay, so seo our scale. So it's a nice little simple one. Nice little simple one about an Lampa Draíochta, the magic lamp. Now, Féicear na Ceistena. So tonight you'll have Hengagia Kuig done Aberwalia, or for homework, I suppose it is homework. And they're nice and simple. So K a V a glanu a mak chak vamo. So K a V, what's our answer going to start with? V. V somebody. K is who, and V somebody cleaning out Granny's house. Iver though, cared though er hug she kick 3 hempsta. Cared what? Though er hug she kick 3 tempsta. Again, find our verb, it's hug, so our answer is going to start with hug, she, whatever. Iver 3, cared a dorch an ginnit. What did the genie say? Again, find your verb, dorch, so our answer is going to start with dorch an ginnit, whatever. Iver caher, Cain cade veen a viega. So what was his first wish? Again, look for the verb. So v something, mar cade veen. Okay, or just tell me what it is. Okay. Iver kuig, kerv e an veen jernach. So what was his veen jernach? The craziest one, the silliest one. Okay, the one that I wouldn't be happy about. But anyway, Alistair, each to their own, I suppose. Okay, so give that a good attempt, guys. Full answers. Now again, work is great, but just remember, Tejil, Dota, neatly ruling. No matter if we're in school or not, keep up your good habits in that, and just present nice and neatly. Okay, well done. Now, and then as well, the other part of Gaeilge tonight, you have your Fumnagsfakkel. Okay, and it's just O. O means, well, if we go through them, Wem, Wech, Why, Woohee, Woon, Woov, Woohoo. Okay, so for example, if you want to say, I wanted a football, Tá Líroj Wem. You want a football, Tá Líroj Wet. She wants a football, Tá Líroj Woohee, and so on and so forth. Okay, so Iver Hen, Care the Tá, what do you want? Ersa an Frastali le Siobhan. The Frastali said to Siobhan. Okay, so what do you want? So O plus 2, what does it become? Nice and easy. Iver though, Tá Isk Ersa Siobhan. She says, I want fish. So Tá Isk, what would it be? O plus me, fake on shot. You'll find it. Iver 3, nor vi Siobhan sa Vielen. When Siobhan was in the restaurant, vi Isk, she wanted fish. So vi Isk, what would she be? Okay. And then Iver Cahar, nor vi Kieran sa Vielen. Vi Burgera, he wanted it, so vi Burgera, look up above and you'll figure that out. Okay, I think you'll all be able for that. So if you say Tá Léhan de Sira Wem, I want holidays. Tá Cáca Wem, I want something. That's how you say it. Tá X Wem. Tá PlayStation Wem. Tá Sam Maguire Wem. I want Sam Maguire. Okay, so just whatever you would like. Okay, is that clear, guys? And Seville and all these new words, you should be fine at these. Then you have your little word search, that should be fine. Biaclar is a menu, tray is a tray, napkin, sup is a straw, isk fish, so on and so forth. I think we should all be pretty good at those. Is that correct, Glor? We're doing great, guys. Keep it up. I'm very proud of you. Keep it going, okay? Slán live, have a great evening, or great day, great evening, and I will talk to you again soon. Slán live.